Pododermatitis in dogs is the inflammation of the paw skin, leading to symptoms like licking, itching, redness, swelling, and pain. It is not a single disease but a clinical sign with various underlying causes, including allergic reaction, environmental or food related, bacterial, fungal, or parasite infection. Immune mediated condition, even trauma from hard surface diagnosis requires a thorough veterinary examination to pinpoint the specific cause, which guides treatment often involving medication for infection, allergy management, or immune modulating drugs. Common causes allergies, infection, immune mediated disease, hormonal disorder, trauma, neoplasia. Sign and symptoms: excessive paw licking, redness, swelling, alopecia, hair loss, nodules, pustules or ulcer, pain or lipping, crusting, thickened skin. Treatment: veterinary visit. A veterinary will perform a detailed history and physical examination, checking for signs like redness, swelling, pustules, or hair loss. Diagnostic tests may include skin scraping for parasite biopsies or for immune mediated disease, or tumor and allergy testing to identify triggers. Treatment Treatment is specific to the underlying cause and may involve antibiotic for bacterial or fungal infection, allergy management, elimination diet, corticosteroids, immune modulating drugs for allergic reaction, protective measure, paw soaks, topical therapies for or boots can help manage symptoms and prevent future irritation. Important consideration: perpetuating factor, issue like obesity, abnormal weight bearing, and scarring can worsen the condition and complicate treatment. So, does pododermatitis in dog go away on its own? Lesion can spontaneously resolve wax and one or may persist identically. What to do when a dog's paw is red and keep licking? So, if your dog paw licking is due to an allergy, your vet may prescribe allergy medication, soothing washes, and suggest allergy testing. How to fix pododermatitis in dogs? Topical shampoos and antibiotics to systemic steroids, oral antifungals, and lifestyle changes like dietary adjustment. Can I put coconut oil on my dogs? Veterinaries typical do not recommend using coconut oil for your dog skins. Can human catch pododermatitis from dogs? It can also infect humans. So be aware. What oil is safe for dogs' paws? Avocado oil,